And no guys, I didn't forget you. It's time for a fire alarm video. Awesome. So I'm going to be sounding almost all of my alarms. The ones you won't be seeing is my true alert with a broken horn and the 9171. It's only a speaker strobe, but these are awesome and loud. So I'm going to do like my regular fire alarm videos, power them up, sound them in code 3, continuous, and march time. Okay, so the first one you're going to be hearing is my 2901-9806. So first I'm going to set it continuous. Before I sound the alarm, make sure volume is very low. And if you guys have epilepsy, I suggest you not watch this video because the strobe is quite blinding. So with that said, hope you enjoy the video. So continuous. March time. And continuous. Oh, code 3, sorry. Now for a Simplex 4903-9422. So continuous, and this one's actually a screecher. Okay, now march time. I think something's wrong with my transformer. And code 3. I forgot to mention that the 9422 is also a Smart Sync model. So this one here is a 4903-9401 Smart Sync model of the 9219. And this one has a electromechanical horn despite looks the same as my other one. Alright guys, so continuous. And march time. And code 3. Okay, so now for 2901-9833, continuous. And march time. And code 3. Now for the Simplex 4901-9805, I'm not going to power the strobe, so continuous. March time. And code 3. The loudest horn that I have, Simplex 4051. 110 decibels at 10 feet, so continuous. Now, march time. Code 3. Now for your old school horns, I have a Simplex 4050 here, 6 volts AC. So 3, 2, 1. And I'll do code 3. For the last one is a Simplex 4040. This is my favorite alarm and consequently my first fire alarm that I ever bought. This is a little side hobby. I just saw YouTube videos and I just bought some. So it's very different. You can see the diaphragm is a circle, whereas this one is a square. So it's going to have like a nah sound. So Hope you enjoy this second loudest horn that I have. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And I'll just do code 3, just 2 rounds. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the fire alarm video.